What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I really had the urge to pull out the vlog camera and start vlogging, and I'm not really sure what the plan is, but I just thought I would vlog the next couple of days. It's around 3:30 and I'm about to go head inside to the gym and fit in a quick workout. I've just been with my sister at a tennis tournament all day, so I wanted to just do a quick workout for myself, and then later on tonight I think the two of us are going to go to dinner because my parents and my older sister are all at a party, so I wanted to do something fun with her since she's been at this tennis tournament basically all week. Today I'm just wearing this white Lululemon jacket, these really cute little blue Lululemon leggings, and then I have a gray Lululemon t-shirt underneath this. So now I'm gonna go home and try to get ready quickly and then go to dinner with my sister and hopefully do something fun tonight with her. But I'm really just glad that I fit in a quick little workout. And yeah, we're gonna see what else the night has in store. Also, it looked like it really rained when I was inside, and now it's sunny, so I think we're gonna be able to take some pictures, which is great. And my arm is really sore, so I'm gonna put you guys down and drive home. All right, everyone, so it's a little later and I've showered and gotten ready, and now my sister and I are about to head out to go to dinner. We're not sure where we're going yet, but we're gonna figure that out. And I will show you guys my outfit really quick. I'm just wearing something kind of casual and chill. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this cute little white top from Nordstrom. It's super loose, very easy, and then I'm just wearing these cute little jeans, and they kind of fray at the bottom, and they are light wash, also from Nordstrom. And then just my little slides, they are pretty basic, go with everything. And then I'm wearing my hoops and then my normal jewelry, but this is the outfit for dinner. So we're back in the car now. We just finished dinner, and now we're gonna drive a little closer to home and go to one of our favorite little gelato places to get some dessert, even though we're kind of full, but we still want dessert. So we are gonna go get some gelato and also probably take an Instagram picture because I really need to post an Instagram picture, and we're probably gonna do that around where we get gelato because it's like a cute little downtown area. So we're gonna go do that before it gets too dark out. So we just got our gelato and now we're sitting here. I just got plain chocolate gelato, pretty basic. And then Elizabeth got, what did you get? Donatella. I've said it 4 times, Donatella. And we're just gonna sit here and eat our gelato and see what else the night has in store for us. Because it's 7 o'clock. It's 7:30 actually, and we're already getting our gelato in. It is a Wednesday. That's true, it's a Wednesday, so we're actually having a pretty good night for a Wednesday, but I'll keep you guys updated. Hello everyone, and today is Thursday. It's a little later. I've just gotten up, I've had my breakfast, I had a quick little workout, I just went for a run, and then I got all ready, and now I'm about to go with my sister and my mom when she gets home, and we're gonna run some errands and maybe do a little shopping, go out to lunch. But I will first show you guys my outfit for what I'm wearing today. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this light pink, it's kind of striped t-shirt from J. Crew, my necklace, normal bracelets, normal jewelry, white pants, and then these really cute little espadrilles. They're from Nordstrom. I just think they're so happy, so I threw them on to make the outfit a little bit more interesting. And then I just need to grab a purse and we're gonna head out, but this is just my little outfit for today. I just got back home, and basically after lunch we just went and did a couple returns and shopped a little bit. I only got like 2 things and I had to return some stuff, but I will show you what I got. And then after we were done shopping, I just came home and changed. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing in a second, and we have a party at 5:30 to go to, so I'll show you guys what I bought really quick and then my outfit, and then we're gonna have to head out to the party. And yeah, it should be a pretty fun night. So first I got these really cute little sunglasses, and they're from Anthropologie, and they were actually in the sale room, so they were not super expensive, and I think I'm actually going to take them and wear them at the party tonight since it is so hot out and I'm pretty sure it's outside, and it will go with my outfit. So I just thought these were super cute. And then the other thing I got was a new pair of jean shorts, and they are from J. Crew, and I like that they are light wash. And then I also like these buttons. I think they're really cute. They're kind of high-waisted, and yeah, they were a good price. So these are the 2 little things that I purchased today. And then, like I said, I made some returns and then also bought some stuff for college. This is what I changed into for the little party. I'm just wearing this blue top, which is from Nordstrom. It's kind of peplum-y type, and then my same necklace, and then I'm still wearing white pants, and then I just changed my shoes into these cute little nude ones from Nordstrom, just a little dressier. And it's seriously so hot out, so I'm just gonna leave my hair up. And yeah, this is the outfit for tonight, and I'm really excited to go to this little party with my older sister and my mom. So it's currently the next day and I wanted to pull out the vlog camera because right now I am packing for the weekend and then also the week because we are going up to my lake house this weekend and then obviously Wednesday's July 4th, so then we're staying the whole week. So I have a lot of clothes right now, but I kind of wanted to just like show you guys what I bring up to the lake because if you guys are going on like a little vacation, maybe this would help you. Okay, so right here I'm bringing up this cute little jean skirt. This is just from Nordstrom, just like a basic jean skirt because I thought that this would be cute. Like July 4th, I could wear this with something. And then I'm bringing up these cute little Lily Pulitzer Gladiator gold sandals that tie up. I also thought those would be really cute. And then I always bring up these little espadrilles because I think they're just the cutest and they're really cute for up there at the lake. Tory Burch's because that's like honestly what I usually wear because they're so comfortable and I just throw those on. And then these shoes are also good to dress up. And then my Jack Rogers, which I'll probably wear on the 4th of July just because they're navy and gold. Super cute. And then I have so many tops. Most of them are just t-shirts that are from either J. Crew or a couple are from Anthropologie. So these are like shirts I would wear with shorts or maybe even white pants, so I have a lot of those. Also, I have clothes up there already, but this is just extra stuff, so I really am bringing too many things. And then I have white pants, which is just essential, and then I have 2 pairs of scallop shorts, jean shorts, and then a pair of plain white shorts and a pair of navy shorts. Then I'm bringing this dress right here, which is the dress that I'm wearing tonight because we're going to a really nice dinner up there with my family, so that's what I'm wearing tonight. I have not worn that yet. It's from Alice and Olivia. Then I'm going to bring my little Gucci slides because again they're really easy to put on and that would also be good for shooting pictures. And then I always put everything in this little duffel bag. It's just navy and monogrammed. I'll try and find the exact one and link it down below, but I know there's a ton of different places that sell similar duffels to that. So this is what we have so far. I think this is the majority of stuff that I'm bringing up, and then I also have a couple skirts up there already and some more tops and shoes, so this is just the extra stuff that I keep at home. But I'm going to put everything in my bag, and then I still need to get like toiletries and stuff. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys because I know people like to see what other people bring on their little trips. So I'm really not sure the last time I vlogged. I'm pretty sure it was when I was packing back at home, but basically the entire day has just happened and now I'm up at my lake house and I just got ready. We are going out to dinner. We are about to leave to get on this little water taxi and go to a really nice dinner on the water, which I'm really excited about with my family. So this is what I'm wearing. I just have these cute little earrings from J. Crew. My dress is Alice and Olivia, and then I have these cute little shoes which are also from Nordstrom, and then like I said my normal bracelets and everything like that. But I'm so excited to go to dinner with my family. Hopefully we'll take some pictures, and where we're going is so pretty and it's like the perfect summer spot, so very excited. And the water taxi should be here in a little bit.